guys! Good morning! So, it's a Saturday and today ang YouTube Content Lab. This Content Lab is going to be the first pilot episode ng kanilang mga workshops. And siguro from there, they're going to see what happens. And I'm really proud kasi nakasali ako. Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano ako nasali doon. Ate Ann Klutz, and all the other YouTubers. This is going to be kind of like their pilot episode ng kanilang workshop or content lab, and I'm going to bring you with me, see what's going to happen. I'm going to share with you kung ano yung mga exercises, if there will be, na gagawin namin, so that other YouTubers might want to learn as well kung ano yung mga matututunan namin. So, I'm wearing super comfy outfit. As you can see, ito yung lagi ko sinusuot pag gusto ko talaga na makagalaw ako. So, kung malamig, naka long sleeves ako, pero kung mainit, pwede ko siyang tanggalin without worrying. So, these denim long sleeves na favorite ko talaga is from Uniqlo, as well as this AirSM tank top, and then this one mango shorts. And for my shoes, these are Givenchy Bambi shoes. Ayan, super comfy. I also have my laptop with me kasi sabi nila magdala daw, and my Celine Trio bag.
Hi guys! So, I need to go now. Kukunin na lang kayo ni na ate.
Si Dixie, grabe, antok na antok pa siya.
Bye, Leisure. Go to see you later. Bye, Techie. Going to see you later. Bye-bye. Bye, Dixie. Going to see you later. Bye-bye.
Pinali uli siya kasi labas siya ng labas. Pero social, si Tonyo nasa swing.
Bye! Bye!
Nandito na kami sa area and kasama ko si Joyloy. Kaya lang, by invite yung dun sa workshop. So, hindi siya pwedeng pumasok. After naman nito, 5 to 7 p.m., merong meeting yung month with other ambassadors. May isang bagong ambassador na i-introduce. And hindi ko alam kung may madadagdag pa na iba. But we are going to welcome new members of the month family. And after naman ng month, kikitain ba natin si Heather? Sa Mercato, food trip naman. Grabe, gutom na ako, kaya lang kasi late na ako. Wala na akong karapatan maggutom-gutom. Ayan, malapit na.
Having coffee and chips for breakfast. Tayo nag-ready na yung mga tao dito sa loob.
We're going to have it by noon. Ayan. Coffee, and then tea, chips, and banana cake at ayan, cooking. Si Ate Ann, nagpa-breakfast. Ang ganda ng foundation niya, guys. Kinomplement ko siya. Promise, ang ganda. Super flawless.
Siya nag-suggest sa akin ito.
Ang ganda, promise. Ayan. Kain muna kami.
Didn't have too much of a ratchet night last night, so today works out for you. But thank you so much. Welcome to Content Lab Manila. So, love the energy. Okay, so today's Content Lab basically is to give you guys a space to have fun, to collaborate, and learn new content strategy and planning. I'm very excited to be meeting you. My name is Suzanne, and I'm the partner manager for Southeast Asia. Rock, paper, scissors! The YouTube team has spent years studying successful creators, and through all this research and studying that we did, we have essentially essenced it down to 10 fundamentals which we feel makes a successful channel.
So I only have 1 minute.
Yeah, you have 1 minute, go.
So we choose Gab's channels. What does the channel do really well? Number 1, production-wise. Number 2, good editing. Number 3, consistent with the format of Super Selfie.
Nanonood si Lloyd ng mga videos ni Gab kasi siya yung case study namin. Hi, Lloyd! Tapos si Ate Ann naman yung magpe-present sa susunod na
Ay, hindi pa pala.
channel ni siya. Ay, nag-vlog kasi siya eh.
Personas for Gad's channel. First off, we have Brian Santos. He's an 18-year-old in a relationship and a sophomore engineering student. And insider, he wants to make his daddy proud by following his footsteps as an engineer. But deep inside, he really wanted to be an entertainer, mainly a dancer. So he imagines himself as Gab, so he enjoys watching his videos. And through internet, he watches song dance covers, trending videos, and checking out top charts. Okay. And then the next one we have Ali Lydia. Okay. Is a 54-year-old housewife and married to Mang Pablo, who is a seaman. So he's basically away most of the time. And Ali Lydia lives with their adopted child. He's a 10-year-old girl. loves gadget, loves watching YouTube videos, makeup and stuff. So Ali Lida was inspired by her adopted child. So on the internet, he also watches YouTube, watches 80s themed music, and discovered Gab's channel through the Boogie Wonderland Super Selfie videos, since he likes 80s music. And then she also watches cooking vids and that's it.
Half an hour should be enough for lunch and vlogging, and then we're gonna come back here again for the last half of the session.
Dahil naghihintay siya dito. At least dito malamig-lamig kasi sa labas. Pero ako papasok muna ako ulit sa loob. Bye! See you!
We have Google Cardboard to give out, and we also have YouTube mugs to give out as well. So whoever can get your paper airplane inside their box, the paper airplane they get.
So, papali pa rin namin tong airplane namin. Tapos, kailangan pumasok dun sa box doon. Dito magsa-start sa line na yan. Watching kung sino magpa-fly ng plane sila. So far, wala pa naman ako siya. Sayang! Si Lloyd. Si Ate Ann. Ay!
Fingers crossed! Interesting, you can choose the plane.
Ba't ganun
All at work, competitive kami. Kaya nagsusulat siya ng mga plano namin sa channel ni Gab. So this is our board. Ito yung ginawa namin. How to improve Gab Valenciana's channel. Ayan. Malapit nang matapos yung content lab and nagpipitching kami ng mga suggestions namin for Gab's channel. Ayan, katabi ko si Lloyd. Ayan. Na-pressure kami kasi yung mga katabi namin.
Because some are really desperate.
Lord.
Desperate. Because, you know, we're like, if,
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, oh my god.
Yeah, sasabihin. Ganyan, effect na lang pag di mo na alam yung sasabihin.
Yeah.
Pero na-pressure kami kasi lumabas na sila. Like,
And we were like, okay, let's have it in a simple way, dog. We're still gonna win
yeah, through voting.
through voting. We have a lot of friends.
Yeah, mga friends ni Lloyd. Yun na lang ang kapit namin. Anyway.
Yun pala yung ano ko.
The level. So we have Ate Ann for the next explanation.
Are you having fun? What did you learn from our talk?
Video.
Nothing? It's okay.
That you should be consistent and inspire other viewers so that
Yes. How about you, Joyce? You're just texting. You're not listening. Are you having fun or have you? No, I know you're listening because you're like tweeting our document, right? I love it. So, can I have your vote?
Yes.
Thank you very much. We're not for the win for nothing, so we need to win this because we need to have that confidence and everything. Thank you very much for listening for that. Okay, we have still 13 seconds, so for everyone who will vote for us, we will give you 100 new subscribers. So please vote for us. Your subscribers counts now. Thank you.
Kinanaban niya pa si Lloyd.
Feedback form, bring it to the counter, and then you get your YouTube sunglasses. We'll all come back here again so we can take an entire group photo together.
Okay.
So, ayan. YouTube shades. What are YouTube sunglasses? Ayan. Ang cute.
I'm so honored right now.
Oh, we have viewers here.
Hindi kailangan niya.
Okay. Guys, do you want to get a picture?
One, two, three.
Ayun si Jello. Hindi ako sa third floor, pero siya Nandun siya sa ground floor. Kawawa naman naghihintay. Tapos na yung event. Ayun, kasama ko si Joyce. Kasi lilipat naman kami sa susunod naming Aura.
Aura,
Diba?
pak.
Kasi may secret kami ni Joyce na malapit na. Very, very soon. Yes. Okay, sige, punta na kami doon. Naka-prepare na yung ano niya, kumbaga may slide siya, tapos i-edit niya na lang kung anong laman. Kasi may template naman kasi sa ano eh. Sa...
Pwede umikot dito?
Thank you. Dito na kami sa meeting place. We're gonna... Hindi pa nagsastart na din. Ay, Ate Lali! Appetizer natin. Sorry, yung energy. Colored. Ito yung bagong one.
Machine Pogi ni Kuya. So, who is Mon? How did it start? Who are our competitors? Who are our target market? And how do we want to reach before? So, Mon is a Spanish name for mountain, where all natural and organic ingredients can be found. Mountain can also signify celestial things, consistently love and charity, therefore, love for lifestyle. So, sa Mon, ito yung mga whitening active ingredients na meron tayo.
I'm having beef salpito with rice.
Siyempre, hindi ko yan nakikita. Ang nakakakita niya yung sa GRA 2. Ayun wala sa nabi.
Nag-aayos ako ng boat. Nakikita ninyo. But, nandito na kami sa 3 Park Gate kami nag-park. So, ito lang yung tapat ng school ko. So, feels like kahapon, nandito lang din ako. At anyway, I had so much fun kanina sa YouTube event. As in, nakakatuwang kagrupo si Lloyd. Walang katapusang katatawa. Sobra talaga. As in, kung ano siya sa videos niya, ganun din siya sa personal. Nakakatuwa siya. And sobrang down to earth. Si Ate Ann naman, masaya rin ka-work kasi, alam mo yun, parang focus din siya dun sa ginagawa namin. So, ayan. Hindi man kami nanalo dun sa parang final pitch-in. Was so fun working with them. And chamba talaga ako sa mga kagrupo ko kasi talaga mababait talaga sila. Tapos, after nung nag-brand meeting kanina, nakita nyo with Ate Sheena, hindi kakita siya sa Mont. Katulad dun sa mga, regarding dun sa mga products na ilo-launch namin. Sorry kasi bumababa kami ng stairs kaya ang gulo ng vlog. And ngayon naman nasa BGC na kami for Mercato. So food trip. Kaya lang ako hindi ako mag-food trip today dahil kakalagay lang na Invisalign. Ayun si Heather. Nakita na namin yung hinahanap namin na juice. Ayan, nandito siya. Yung chai. Eh, this food trip kasi yung mga jelly. Bumili na ako ng ng mangoes and dalawang fruit shake. Hawak-hawak ni Jeloy. Ayan. Sorry kung di gano'n nag-focus. Yung food trip ni Heather, tapos si Kuya doon kumakain pa. Sakto. Sumusubo pala ng takoyaki. Tapos yung akin, itong... Ano ba to, Jeloy? Flavor niyan?
Mango, saka melon.
Melon to, tapos ito, mango. Ayan. Ko lang na-post yung aming class picture. Ayan yung mga classmates ko dun sa makeup school. Sobrang pagod ko na kagabi, kaya ayan, ngayon lang. So, titos and titas of Manila na kami. Kasi, ayun nila ipakita sa vlog. Ano yun?
Ang galing mo eh, no?
Titos and titas of Manila muna kami. Kasi basta something. Pagod na kami. Wait lang, nakakaya mag-vlog kasi ang daming tao. Tumigil siya bigla. Yan. Hindi na kinain. Ayun, may hindi na kinain ng titas of Manila ang pagod. Ang pagkayod. Kaya ayan, pauwi na kami. Maaga pa lang. Dati mga ganitong oras magsisimula pa lang ang pagtambay, ngunit
Pag-umus ako.
yeah, wala na, hindi na kaya. Hashtag Titas of Manila.
Hashtag
Ba't tita lang? Ba't di ba kami kasama dun?
Titos. Saan na yung ano?
Wag ganun.
Aray ko. Wow, wala nga eh. Taka na.
Lumanay yung kay Heather.
Meron mo ka?
Woo! Grabe. Ganda dito. Day, paano naman ako?
Nanawakan mo nga to. Tapos mahawakan pupok mo sa ulo.
Eh, dyan rin nasa yung pala.
Sa akin. Wait
Bakit
lang.
nandun yung mangga mo?
Mangga niya yan. Mangga niya
Ah.
Adel yan.
We don't
Alam mo
share
yung
mangga.
mga
Kakambal yan.
mahilig sa mga manggang maasim.
Mangga nyo pala. Alat nyo kasi.
Uy, naka-record pa pala to.
Hindi ah. Record yan din.
Ay, hindi.
False alarm.
Bakit ganyan? Parang may araw sa'yo.
Baka ito cellphone.
Hindi, sa labas ng bintana oh. Oh.
Nasaan?
Hindi, maliwanag lang talaga nag-a-adjust. Pati huwag kayong ganyan. Pati yung driver natin napapati.
Bahala ka kayo ha. Pag tayo nabangga dito.
Eh di pak!
Nakakahiya naman yun.
mapapakpak
Mababangga
talaga
ka
tayo
sa
dito.
parking na walang laman.
Wala ka bang
Sige.
kasalubong? The traffic sobrang weird.
Oo nga eh. Ganito yung mga pauwi ko.
Ay, si Tonyo nasa labas ng gate. Sure.
Anong puti?
Hi, buddy! Excited sila! Si Daisy excited din, oh. Ayun, Daisy!
Si Teki. Teki! Teki! Buddy!
Sinisiksik niya yung sarili niya. Oo, naman. Wala nang kakamat. Sabi, nakakapagod talaga. Ang ni Dixie, sorry ah. Yung dalawa naglalaro sa tabi ko. Nag-aawa yan. Gusto ko sila papasin pareho. Patek is ready to sleep. Nawiwian niya yung bed niya, so yan na muna, maglalatag lang siya. And then si Dixie, kanina pa siya nagpapahinga dun. Nagising siya, yan, nagkakamot siya. See? Nakasilip siya. Antok na rin. Ay, naku, nagngangat-ngat na naman. Patek!
Good night, everyone! Oh, wait lang. Isa-isa lang. Mamaya na yung kamay. Where's the kamay? Where's the one kamay? What are you doing? Come on, the other one. Other one na. There. Hey, ready to sleep. Ready na to sleep.
Guys, sobrang pagod ko na. Pasensya na kung mababa na energy ko ah. Thank you guys for joining me today. Nakakapagod but it's worth it because I was able to meet other YouTubers and of course Ate Sheena and the staff of Mont as well. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog and see you on my next video. Bye! Dip mo sa kanya dito sa blusher sa but the bronzer, kahit i-dip mo yung brush mo, hindi ka mapapasobra ng bronze face. Then it also has this kind of instruction sa kanyang